Okay, right now I'm sitting in my truck. As you can see, it is kind of raining. But rain in the right amounts is actually a good thing, okay, for bees. Because you could get uh, plants to flower, but if it doesn't have enough rain, enough moisture in the soil, you ain't gonna get no nectar. Because plants need two things to create nectar. Actually, they need a lot of things to create nectar, but two main things. And it's just basically a chemical compound you probably heard of in high school. If you haven't heard, if you're not in high school yet, then yeah. But it is C6H12O6. How does that happen? Plants take CO2 out of the atmosphere. They take H2O, which is water, out of the soil, create sugars. Now, some of those sugars go into feeding the plants. Some of those sugars actually go into feeding the soil, and some of those sugars goes into nectar. Okay, for plants that produce nectar. So, rain in the right amounts is actually a good thing. Too much rain, bees don't fly. They're not flying right now because it's raining, but I guarantee you, once this all dries up here in the next couple hours or so, that bees will be out in force looking for watered down nectar now. That's the second thing that it's kind of bad for. Is it does water down the nectar in the flower. So bees have to fly a lot more to create the same amount of honey as they would on just a good conditioned day. Pretty much all I got. See ya.